Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sharnice. Hi, and welcome back to Simply Niqua. So today I have a fun DIY journal video for you guys this week. In today's video, I will show you how to design and create a front cover and inside cover of your journal. And then next week's video on Thursday, I will show you the inside nitty-gritty stuff that you can put in your journal as well. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel right now so you won't forget and you'll be able to see what all the inside stuff will happen next week on Thursday for that video. But today is just all the outside cover of this journal. I'm going to turn this into this. Ooh, ain't it pretty? So the purpose of this video is to show you a creative way to decorate your journal and make it your own. And I really want this to be like an inspiration for your own journal. And you don't have to do exactly what I do, but I want this to inspire you to do this to your journal and to make it pretty and cool. But other than that, let's go ahead and jump and see all the materials that I'm going to use for this right here to make it all pretty. Okay, so some of the items that I'm going to use for this journal is I have some felt to put around the whole journal because I want it to have this plushy, soft, fluffy look to it than this hard cardboard feel that it has already. So that felt will help it all the way. I never was good at sharing. I'm just good at caring. This fabric right here is fun, beautiful floral fabric that I'm going to use for the inside portion cover, as you'll see for my journal, to give the inside some little decorations and coolness. And then I also have some of these materials right here, which are just embellishments that I am going to use to make this journal even more prettier. You can use whatever you want for your journal, but this is kind of some of my things I had already at home, so I'm going to use this. So that is all the items that I'm going to use and whatnot, and also I'm going to use like some hot glue to glue them all down. So let's go ahead and get started with this video and get creative.
You might be the one taking me home. One thing really lead to one. Say that you're the worst, but I don't know. Is that true? People feel the silence with things they think they know. Baby, that's why I just be free and let it all go. Let's go. I don't care what you say, it's true. Don't matter to me, 'cause I want you.
you guys, how did you like this journal idea for the cover? I really loved it. I really like how it all turned out. It's really pretty. Like I said, use this as inspiration for your journal. You don't have to do exactly what I did, but use this as inspiration. I really would like that. Leave some comments down below if you are going to, or if you like it. Please leave me some comments and give this video a like. I really appreciate it. All that you do, you know that? And also while you're down there, you know, push that subscribe button, hit the great notification bell if you want to as well. You know, do what you want. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget about next Thursday that I'm going to do all the nitty-gritty inside. It's going to look pretty. It's going to look cool. I have all the design details right here, so you don't want to miss out on this freaking video next week. Okay, so it's gonna be freaking cool. Okay, I'm not going to toot my own horn, toot, but it's gonna be cool. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you back next week. Bye.